All right, good morning. This is going to be a very quick um, tutorial. I just want to make sure that everybody feels comfortable with how to save a Photoshop document to submit on the web. So this video is called Resizing Images for the Web using Photoshop. To do this, once we've saved the document, so again, this doesn't have to be this Photoshop document, this can be any Photoshop document that you've created. Once you've saved it, you're going to, as a Photoshop document, you're going to save for web. You're going to make sure that you've selected for us. You're going to check your settings to make sure it says JPEG high, JPEG, quality 60. Make sure that you've checked the optimized box, and make sure that convert to RGB is selected. At the bottom, you're just going to make sure that your image width is no larger than 600. So whichever width or height is larger, 600 should be your largest number. And then once you've done that, you're just going to hit save. And you'll also name this, you can give it the same name as anything else that you submit. Just put your name and then name of assignment. Okay? And once you've done that, you can hit save. And here's what the final product will look like. All right, so nice and small, and then you just upload that to wherever you'd like it to be, whether it be a website, Canvas, or any other place online. Thank you very much.